I have a riddle for you. What do you get when you cross a hard drive docking station and a pogo plug? Stay tuned, I'll tell you in a second. All right, the answer is the Seagate DockStar. Now check this out. Seagate has gotten to cahoots with the people that make Pogo Plug. Now, if you don't know what Pogo Plug is, it was a really cool device. What it did was it plugged into your home Ethernet and into your wall, and basically anything that you attach to it via USB, it would share with the World Wide Web. Basically like a network-attached storage device, just really easy to configure. So if you're afraid of technology and you don't know how to use it very well, anyone can do this kind of stuff. So that's what Pogo Plug is. Now, Seagate did the same thing. Basically, what you're looking at here, this is what you get in the box of the FreeAgent DockStar. You get that. That's what comes with it. Now, here's what happens. This is like a Pogo Plug, except of being a plug with one USB. You actually have 3 USBs, and you can do a FreeAgent Go. Now, this is a FreeAgent Go. This is sold separately. These are, they're portable 2.5-inch hard disk drives that Seagate sells. They're really nice and slim, and they're small, and they power with USB only, so you don't need to worry about powering them up with an extra adapter, carrying that around with you. Now, they used to be available in 250, 320, 500, and 640, but now, get this, they're available in 750, 880, and 1,000 gigabytes as well. So you can have up to a terabyte in one of these little things. Now, what happens with this little USB device? Here's what happens. You dock it, it goes onto your home network. Here's the Ethernet in the back, right there. That's going to put it on your home network. That means that every computer inside your house can now access the contents of this drive just by dropping it into the dock. But it gets a lot more interesting, because here's where things expand a little bit and you have a lot more to think about. Kind of the point of this whole thing is to get all your stuff on the web as well. So as long as your home network is actually connected to the internet, now all the stuff that you put into your Pogo Plug is also on the web. All you got to do is go to my.pogoplug.com, log in, and all your files will be there. Now, it's really useful if, let's say, you just went on vacation and you want to show your friend all these pictures you took, but you took 1,000 pictures in 2 days with a big camera and raw files. To upload those to the internet out in the middle of nowhere, or to do anything like that, would take forever. Tons and tons of gigabytes of photos. It's a big pain. Here's what happens. You give them access to this. You give them permission. You send them a direct link to the album. They come, they find it, and they can see it there. It's great for sharing HD video, too. Same thing. You want to give them the full raw HD video in 1080p. You want them to be able to play it on their big TV in Blu-ray quality. But if you wanted to upload it, it would take a month and a half, and if you uploaded it to like Vimeo or YouTube in HD, it would obviously shrink it and compress it, and it wouldn't look as good. This gives you the ability to share everything. Now, they actually have a new application for this thing, which is even more interesting, that actually lets you share on Twitter, on MySpace, and on Facebook videos and images without ever actually uploading them. So let's say you have 50 images that you just took. Usually it's like, oh man, I got to create an album, upload the pictures to Facebook. Now you don't have to do it anymore. Now you literally provide the direct link through your Facebook, and it's going to store the pictures here. So that means that A, if you ever want to take the pictures off, you just remove the dock, and now they can't get to it. And B, it means that you don't have to do anything as far as uploading. It's just giving the address of this location right here. So people are going to actually access this hard drive from anywhere in the world through Facebook or through Twitter and see your images instantly. That means that you don't have to wait. You can put big HD videos. You're just unlimited as far as how fast you can do it. It's just instant sharing. So that's a very cool. Also, just so you know, 1 year of Pogo Plug service is included with this little device when you buy it. Remember, the hard drive is not included in this at all, but you do get 1 year of Pogo Plug service. Now, Pogo Plug service costs $30 a year. So you're getting the first year for free, which is great. And that's the website that lets you access this from the web. That's what lets you pretty much jump on their website and access basically a network-attached server that you have at home that's just basically consisted of this, which is actually a small little computer in here, and the hard drive itself that you dock. So very, very cool looking device. Now also remember that you have all these other USBs all around the back. You have 2 over here and you have 1 on this side. Those are actually for adding additional hard drives. So if you actually want to plug in a big 2 or 3 more 1 terabyte drives, those are also going to be shared on the Pogo Plug over the internet. So this is the convenient one. Some people are saying, if you share stuff on Facebook, like a picture, and then you move this, well, it's gone. Well, that's why you put your big hard drive here, and you put like the stuff that you want to take with you here. That way you have the ability of having like a NAS at home, but without the actual big box, without the complicated setup. Super simple, and you even get an Ethernet cable inside this box, so you don't have to buy an Ethernet cable, plug it directly into your router, or you can get a wireless bridge and go that route, and you're good to go. And then finally, lastly, my favorite part is there is a very, very, very cool iPhone app for this product, and basically what it does is it automatically uploads any image that you take. If you set it up that way, and it'll upload it directly to your DockStar, to your FreeAgent Go. So basically, if you upload the photos while you're on the run and you get home, all you gotta do is grab this and all your photos are on here. It'll do the same thing with video for the 3GS when that becomes available through AT&T. Uploading video and all that stuff's not out yet. But very, very cool, and you can also access pictures and stuff that's on your FreeAgent Go through the iPhone app. So really, really cool setup here from Seagate. It's called the FreeAgent DockStar. Very good stuff. If you have any questions on it, feel free to email me, and I'll see you guys next time. For more information on the Seagate FreeAgent DockStar, type in Seagate DockStar into the search engine of any of these major retailers. For Computer TV, I'm Albert.